Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reopen a frozen Shopify store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for a frozen Shopify store means that you have either have some undo balance or you have not respected some uh, policies of Shopify. So basically, these are some uh, instructions that you can use or that you can do to reactivate your frozen Shopify store. So basically, here there are three main things that you need to check. So basically, the app fees. Make sure that you have uh, paid for the fees for your app if you are using the app, and also there are transaction fee and the shipping charge. If you didn't pay these, you will need to first continue or do your balance. So as you can see, you need to pay any outstanding charges that you had, and then you will need to pay any other outstanding charges that were incurred during the time between payments was missed and your store was frozen. And after you clearing these informations or you clearing these problems, you will be able to reactivate your store. So as you can see, you will need just to log into your store as normally. You will need just to log in, and after that, you will need just to successfully pay all the balance that you have. So, and basically you can check all these informations in your billing menu. So here in the settings, you will need just to click on the setting, and basically you will need to go after that to the billing. So in the billing menu, you will find your balance that will be showing there, and you will see if there is any problem that you will need to pay to reactivate your frozen store. So after that, you will need to pick a new plan and pay for the upcoming subscription cycle, and you will have your store that will be unfrozen. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.